Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your girl, Sweet the Queen. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little while, especially over here. It's definitely been a while. Today I was coming to, I don't know if I'm doing to do two things. I was coming to do some assembly projects. Well, one for sure is this towel that I need. For sure, but I may do a wagon. I may do a separate video. I'm not too sure, but you know, I plan to offer assembly services on my, website and things like that. So, I got to show y'all what I can do. You know what I'm saying? So, when y'all can, know what I know what I'm doing, what I'm doing. So that's why I do the assembly videos, like, outside of my DIY videos when I be building stuff and putting stuff together. So we're doing this 6-tier towel rack. So let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so opening up the box, we have the stick pieces. It looks like a click together type of system. I didn't know that. I thought maybe I had to use bolts and things like that. This is the top, or one of the sides, it looks like. I'm looking for the instructions, y'all. Y'all know we need the instructions. Like the racks. Racks on racks. Okay, the instructions are in there. And it is screws. Okay, so I'm like, nah, something like this needs something a little strong, with the screws right there. So let's get into, definitely, y'all know. Y'all already know, y'all know with the bag. Y'all know with the bag. Definitely need them instructions. For sure. Always, baby. Always. Tells you everything you need. Okay, y'all. So getting right into it. I started with the top first. The arch piece. The top rack. Getting everything out the box, noticing where the ridges were, taking the screws out. All the screws were inside the poles, so I had to end up taking all of those out and then screwing it back in. Long screwdriver, had to get a flat head, and I was able to, start from the top with the arches, or with the arch, and work my way down. Here I'm working on the shelf part. I have to make sure the ridge part is facing downwards and not facing up, giving the shells like an awkward unevenness. So I made sure the ridge was facing down. I didn't do that for the first shelf layer, the one that was by the arch. So I ended up later taking that one off and flipping it around. Here again, I was making sure that the ridges, the head of the screws were in the ridges, the dips of the poles, and not the straight part. If you were putting, assembly something together, you will see what I mean. Sometimes the poles will have ridges for where the screw head is supposed to sit in the end. And also remember, with a project like this, unless specifically it says to tighten all screws, I am just simply putting the screws in to hold everything in place. And then once everything is in place, then I will tighten all the screws in. And remember, always refer back to the instructions when you need to. Always keep the instructions around. Here I am putting the last connector poles that connects the front to the back of the towel rack. And then I'm also going to put in the last shelf, the 6th tier, the last shelf of the towel rack as well. Here is the shelf all put together. It's all, in place. Now I'm going to go in with my flathead screwdriver and screw in all and tighten all of the screws. Like I said, wait to the end when the structure is together to solidify with the tightening of the screws. here is the finished rack, you guys. Before I could even finish filming, I was already ready to put some things on the rack. Like I said, the rack was definitely needed. I put some towels underneath, you know. I appreciate you guys for watching. Stay tuned, you guys. I'm back. I'll see y'all later.